Hello there, it's Nigby. This is going to be another entry into Pocket Woman's Lotto Luck Tuesday. This time I've got a Brady Abus 7140 plastic bodied lockout. I recently bought a box of these off eBay. I bought a box for the same price as an aluminium bodied 7240. Same picking experience. It's a guttable lock. It was an absolute bargain. So it is guttable. If I get it picked in time without making this video too long, I'll see about gutting it as well. So right, wrong pick. Even that got a little click off something in there. Yeah, that's pin 1 into a full set. Counter rotation of 2, but drop 1 in the process. Bonds back again. 3 feels absolutely solid. Find this, whether it's because it's an Abus, but gives much better feedback than a lot of the plastic bodied lottos that there are out there. Really are quite pleasant to pick. Okay, got the full set back. Counter rotation of 2. Even deeper full set, so there can't be much holding us up now. And pin 1 dropped it, and there we go, got it open. Let's see about gutting this. So same as all the aluminium bodied lottos, there's a screw down the shackle. And very similar to the Martindale that I recently took apart. There's a holder for the core that just slides out of there. I'm going to just turn that back to locked before we wreck anything. Pretty easy circlip to take off. We'll just crank the camera around a little bit. Bit more zoom. Okay, got the key. So in. See if I can slip a shim in there, because there is a big gap left by. Okay, so there's the core and the pins. Okay, we'll use this one here. So 1, That was actually 2. Six. Quickly. So on this one there's an overhang, so that denotes the front of this, just for my reference when I come to put it back together. So standard in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, yet another spool in 5, and yet another spool in 6. There's going to be nothing unusual about the springs or core. So there you go. That's the Abus Brady Lotto 7240. Right, slight revisit. Yeah, it's a guttable lock. It's just taken me longer to just put it back together than it did to pick it and gut it. Terrible balancing act of ball bearings and actuators, all in plastic. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it as a first gutting experience if you were managed to get hold of these as a new picker. So yeah, just be warned. The other thing is, why is there a jar of Vegemite on my picking table? Obviously, Pocket Woman is from Australia, but watching a guy called Greg Chevalier, and he had a jar of Vegemite on his workstation. So in the comments, I just said I'll feature my jar, because I got this with with a lock that I got from a member of the UK Locksport Forum from Australia. He sent me over a buy lock. So I'll just give SEDS a mention as well. I don't know if you watch YouTube SEDS, or even if you realise this is me, but I've still got my Vegemite, because I've got a jar of UK Marmite on the go. Which tends to last about a year, because nobody eats the stuff. I haven't got around to eating my Vegemite yet, but one day I will, because the stuff lasts forever. Is there a sell-by date on it? November 23. I haven't got to worry about that. Lasts forever. Thanks for watching.